In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people in Google Analytics. This will be a detailed guide to help you easily and effectively manage user access within the GA4 admin panel, ensuring that the right people have the right level of access to your analytics data. First, you'll want to sign into your Google Analytics account by heading over to analytics.google.com. Once there, navigate to the specific account and property you're focusing on. Once inside, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see the admin icon, which looks like a gear. Go ahead and click it. This will bring you to the admin panel. Now that you're in the admin panel, it's important to determine at which level you want to grant access. If you wish for someone to have access across all properties within the account, you'll select Account Access Management. Alternatively, if you're looking to manage access for a specific property only, then you'll click on Property Access Management. Making this decision is key because it influences the scope of access you're about to grant. Once you have selected the appropriate access level, look up to the top right corner. There, you'll see a plus icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Add Users. You will then be prompted to enter the Google email address or addresses of the users you want to add. There's an option here to notify new users by email. It might be helpful to check this box, especially if the person you're adding may not be anticipating the access. Moving forward, you'll need to assign roles and, if necessary, apply data restrictions. Selecting the right role ensures that users can only access and alter data according to their responsibilities and your trust level. The available roles are Viewer, which provides view-only access to data; Analyst, which allows the user to edit and share assets; Marketer, enabling them to manage audiences and events; Editor, who has access to all settings except user management; and finally, Administrator, granting full access, including user management. Along with roles, consider applying data restrictions if needed. You can restrict access to certain data metrics such as cost metrics or revenue metrics should that be necessary for your situation. After assigning roles and any data restrictions, go ahead and click Add. The users you added will receive an email invitation. Note that they will be able to access the account once they sign in with their Google account. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to add people to your Google Analytics setup. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for